We live in a world where all of the knowledge you could ever want on any subject is available for free. There are hundreds of financial modelling courses out there, and a lot of them cost next to nothing. Between all of them, you can probably piece together everything you need to know about modelling. But when it comes to being an effective modeller, it's not just about knowledge, it's about skills.
I'm Kenny Whitelaw-Jones. I'm one of the founders at Full Stack Modeller, and I've been teaching financial modelling for more than 10 years. I've taught thousands of analysts from some of the world's leading companies. I've also built my own modelling practice, and we support projects all over the world. What I've seen time and time again is that becoming a really effective financial modeller takes time. It takes time to practice, time to make mistakes, time to really make those skills your own.
Most courses will give you a day or two of focused learning, but at Full Stack we'll work with you for a full year to help you master the skills you need to become a really effective analyst. We cover Excel mastery, advanced financial modelling, data visualization skills, and we look at the tools and technologies that can really set you apart. Best of all, you'll be part of an active community of people who are also on their journey to transform their skill set. A community that will be there to support you every step of the way.